Ever feel like wealth is only for the lucky, or those born into it? That ends today. Because no matter your income, your background, or your struggles, wealth is a mindset, not a bank account. Welcome to Wealth Tactics, the faceless financial command center where ordinary citizens become freedom builders. This is Financial Independence Month, and today's briefing will show you how to build a powerful wealth mindset from scratch, with tactics that anyone can apply. Subscribe and become a tactician. No jargon, no finance bros, just strategy. Let's address the first roadblock: money myths. We've all heard things like, you have to make six figures to get ahead. Budgeting means suffering. If I don't start rich, I'll stay poor. Here's the truth. Wealth is not about how much you earn. It's about what you do with what you've got. A person making $50K who saves 30% and invests well can retire years earlier than someone earning $150K who overspends and never plans. The key is this: wealth starts in your mindset, then it grows through behavior, then it multiplies through strategy. Most people chase money without knowing why. So here's the first mission. Define your personal wealth target. Ask yourself, what does a good life look like? How much freedom do you want each week? What kind of work brings you energy versus stress? Do you want to travel, own property, work remotely? Wealth isn't about yachts and mansions unless that's your mission. It's about control. Control over your time, control over your location, control over your decisions. The moment you define wealth for yourself, you stop chasing status and start chasing freedom. Ready for boots on the ground action? Let's walk through the first 4 tactical moves that work even for tight budgets. Track every dollar, don't guess, don't generalize. Know exactly what you spend weekly, monthly, yearly. Use a free app, Google Sheet, or even pen and paper. This is your personal recon mission. Identify joy versus noise. Go through your spending and mark what truly adds value. Cut subscriptions, habits, and purchases that drain you. Redirect savings into your freedom fund. Automate $100/month into index funds. You don't need thousands. Even $25/week compounds massively over time. Use apps like Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard to auto-invest. This builds momentum, and that's half the battle. Build a skill that increases your income. Every year, commit to learning one new marketable skill. Graphic design, copywriting, coding, video editing. This grows your income without lifestyle inflation. Let's talk about Sam, 39 years old. He earns $42K per year, lives in a small apartment, works retail. But here's what he did. Tracked every expense for 6 months, cut his bills by $400/month, invested $200/month automatically, learned side hustling skills through free YouTube courses today. He's on pace to hit his lean fire target by age 49. He didn't win the lottery, he just followed the framework. Now meet Lauren, age 26. She used to spend all her income chasing happiness, shopping, dining, subscriptions, still felt broke, still felt stressed. She found wealth tactics, built a joy-based budget, and cut waste by 35%. Now she invests, travels minimally, and feels more freedom than ever. Your life doesn't have to be perfect, your mindset does. Let's be honest, starting this journey can feel lonely. It's easy to get discouraged when your friends are spending and partying, but you're not alone. You're a tactician now. Here's how to stay focused. Create a freedom vision board. Cut out pictures, quotes, screenshots of what life after fire could look like for you. Join fire forums, online communities, or watch creators like Wealth Tactics weekly. Track your progress monthly. It's fuel for your momentum. Reward yourself for every milestone reached. Celebration matters. Most importantly, remember your why every single day. Here's your mission, tactician. Track 1 week of your expenses, cut one thing that doesn't bring joy, auto-invest $25 this week. Comment below, mindset activated, if you're in this for real. Subscribe and stick with us. This week we enter week 2, tactical wealth building, from investments to passive income, side hustles, and long-term strategy. Because wealth isn't luck, it's tactics. Discipline builds freedom. It's week 2, let's keep the engine running tight.